everyone, this is Marissa from Sweethearts and Crafts. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some of the most basic shapes in quilling. If you've seen any of my other videos, then you already know how to make the basic coil, the essential building block of quilling. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the teardrop, the curved teardrop, also known as the wing or petal, the flat or closed marquise, the open marquise, and the shaped marquise, also known as the leaf, the slug, or the wave. To make the teardrop, take your coil, hold it in one hand. You might want to pull the coils to the end and then gently pinch between your forefinger and your thumb. To make the curved teardrop, we're going to be doing basically the same thing with an added step. Hold the coil. You may want to pull the coils all to one end. Pinch between your thumb and forefinger. And then push this end while still holding on to the tip. Push it towards you. And that will create a bend or a curved teardrop. For the closed marquise, this is probably the easiest one. You're just going to be taking this piece and flattening it out. So take it between two fingers and just squish. You can push down if the center pops up. Make a nice flat closed marquise. For the open marquise, you're going to be pinching both ends. So take your thumb and forefinger on each side and gently pinch together without getting that center part, because you want this to be an open marquise. Now this last one I will show you twice because it's the most complicated of all of these. For your shaped marquise, also called a slug or wave, you're going to take the coil, hold it between your thumb and forefinger on each end, and you're almost going to create a twisting motion by pushing up with your right thumb and down with your left forefinger at the same time. So squish while pushing up with the thumb, down with the forefinger, and twist. That creates your marquise. We'll do it again. Push up and down while twisting to create your marquise shape. I want to thank you all for watching. Tune in next time where I'll be doing more complex shapes like the tulip, the diamond, and the holly leaf.